Yo, what's cracking, my Sigified fam? We back with a new video. I'm going to show you how to make dark, hard, ambient melodies. That's quite a lot of adjectives. But anyway, you're going to want to start out with like a ambient sound. And in Omnisphere, I'm going to show you where to go. So you're going to want to click pads and strings. And then click type up here. And go to hollow and pure. And you could choose a sound from this list. I really like afterthought signs though, so I'm going to use this. And I'm also going to go into this A tab, go into amp, and turn down the A. And that'll just turn down the attack. I just like to do that so the sound is like more instant. So now I'm going to choose a scale. I'm going to choose C minor, just because I like that one. You could basically choose any scale though. And I'm at 157 BPM. Okay, I'm gonna transpose it. Yeah, C sharp. So now it's just like a nice, dark, like kind of ominous vibe right here. There's really not much to explain. You just have to click around until you find something you like. But using these notes right next to each other, like D sharp and E, it creates a darker feeling, so you're going to want to do that a lot, and you can see I did. And another key factor is repetition. Like the same thing repeating over and over again kind of makes it feel dark. And also the chord is never changing, it's always C sharp until the end where it goes down to B, so that is another key factor. You want to keep it like pretty static. Okay, now I'm going to experiment a little bit. I'm in this bowed string category. And I'm going to try to find a fire preset. Okay, so basically I found this preset, turned on the glide, made this pattern. Which is okay. And I added some effects, like a reverb, delay, EQ'd a lot of it out, and I added a phaser. Now it sounds like this. Now it's just like another background element. I want to try something else. I don't know if it'll work though. So I'm going into Keyscape, Dark Score Piano. I'm going to place it on the root note, turn down the volume. I kind of like that. It adds a bit more subtle low end. I'm going to try to use this piano to also make something on the top. Okay, I added like a helping a reverb. Okay, so that's honestly pretty good now, but I want to kind of clean it up with some EQ, especially if we're going to add drums. So first of all, I'm just going to EQ out like everything under 100. That way, so when we add an 808, it's going to hit. Now I kind of want to work out like the clashing between some of the sounds. I'm going to remove this frequency from the pad because it's kind of like overbearing. And just for the cherry on top, I'm going to transpose it just to give a fresh feel by 2. That's not bad, so let's add some drums now. Just going to go for some classics, not complicating this. The video is mostly about the melody. Okay, let's add an 808 now. Kind of going for a somewhat hard-hitting one. This one sounds pretty good. So obviously, we know our root note is D sharp. Oh, I was an octave too low. Okay, I want to add an open hat. That one sucks. That was a perk snare, I guess. Alright, now just one more thing, because this will come in handy for the arrangement. I'm going to add a bass. I'm going to make it slide down to this note. Yep, that's perfect. Now I'm going to arrange it real quick. Okay, that's really about it. I'm probably going to clean up the mixing a little bit though, but that's it for the video. So if you enjoyed, you know what to do. And thanks for watching.